Hello mga padaba! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is VG, your Bicolana travel vlogger. Diyos marahay na aldaw sa Indogabos. And for today's video ay pagpapatuloy po natin ang ating Bicol adventure. At ngayon ay tutor namin kayo sa isa sa historical place dito sa Kamalig Albay. Our fourth destination, Huyup-Huyupan or Ihip-Ihipan Cave. Huyup-Huyupan Cave is one of Albay's famous attractions because of its historic legacy. For one, it has been around for a long time at about 3,000 to 4,000 before Christ. The 280 square meter cave was called Huyup-Huyupan, a Bicolano term for blow of the wind. This huge and windy cave is filled with various shapes of rock formations where you can use your imagination to formulate different figures inside the cave. So tara guys, samahan nyo kaming pasukin ang Huyup-Huyupan Cave. Ngayon sa Huyup-Huyupan Cave. With my ex-tambunting.
Ito bird's nest, mami ginagawa. Ay,
Wow. Where, kuya? Daddy, nandito kami ngayon sa Huyup-Huyupan Cave.
Sayaw.
Asan? Alin kuya? Stalactite.
Pag nag-pillar na po yan.
Ah.
1% yung pagkawa niya, ma'am.
Pillar of success.
Caterpillar. Diyan, picture kayo dito.
Ayan. Ganda. As we get inside the cave, a cold breeze coming from the inside welcomed us. Do you know the difference between stalagmites and stalactites? Stalagmites is the corresponding formation on the floor of the cave, while stalactites is the corresponding formation on the ceiling of a cave.
Tapos damit of water.
Oo nga, oo.
Yan, rock formation yan. Ito si Casper, the friendly ghost.
Where?
Anything?
Tabi. Tabi-tabi po. Ay ko. Tagdoon.
Kaya kita sumata ng mga sexy. Hindi last floor, cathedral. Yung sumapaligid pala na.
Sain? Kaya manahamot ko na.
Kaya mga mamot.
Kain na.
Hindi kita sa sumata ng mga sexy. Hindi si Jessica Soday ng kasya. Jessica Soday, nakarating na dito. Malaki eh.
Pag dahil magkasya. Sik. Alam man, lason. Ay! Lasa.
Ayan siya. Meron ko mga picture.
Na-picture kuya. Sain? Ay! Tinagdoan ako.
Pag natagawag ng malikot, holy water.
Ganon.
Mahilig, holy city ng paligid.
Oh, sain kami.
Malamig.
Ay, kakuya.
Sabi mo,
Sain kami pwede. Huyup-Huyupan Cave also served as a place where partygoers stayed at when the curfew was strictly imposed nationwide. It's more than a shelter. Huyup-Huyupan Cave has also become a place to visit for a scientific contribution where researchers traverse the inner layers of the cave that last up to 11 hours long to trek. Huyup-Huyupan Cave is about 25 kilometers southwest of Legazpi. You can take any jeepney heading towards Kamalig, Bulanggi, Ginobatan, or Ligao and get up in Kamalig for only 20 pesos. Then hitch a ride on a motorbike around 150 pesos per one way. A tricycle from Daraga should cost 500 pesos each way. And this is the third level of the cave and only small ones can make it inside like Mami Marilyn or like us. Sa mga magpo-propose, special mention kay Rachel. Okay, tinatanggap na po. Wish po ni Maylin kung sino na po magbibigay sa kanya ng sing-sing. This cave is really interesting. It is now a dwelling for fruit bats and birds, whose nests are harvested for making bird nest soup. And during the Marcos era, the cave was used as a meeting area. Not sure whether to discuss the martial law and politics during that time, as a wide platform was built to be used for disco dancing. Our guide said that live band would play inside the cave. The acoustic might have been something. He also said that the cave no longer functioned as a dancing hall as of today. It stopped in the 90s.
Sige, go. Sige. Oh.
Ayo, anay.
One more!
Lagay ng view baga.
Okay na. Mami!
Huyup-huyupan cave. Pababa na tabi kami. Kay tapos na ang pasyada. Ito naman kami sa Linyon Hill. Kag masunod, magsuswimming.
Saan?
Sa beach. Kung saan maganda.
So ayan, talagang sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa pag-iikot sa loob ng Huyup-Huyupan Cave. Hindi namin namalaya na nasa labas na pala kami. Napakaganda sa loob, lalo na yung mga images o yung mga rock formation in bawat level na napupuntahan namin ay mayroong eksplanasyon si Kuya.
San Jacinto!
Hope you enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell button to keep you updated on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Diyos mabalos!